After the age of 60, many people start noticing something strange. Their legs feel weaker, walking becomes slower, and climbing stairs feels harder than it used to. Most seniors believe this is just normal aging, but doctors now say there is actually one hidden cause behind weak legs, and if you fix it, your strength can start coming back faster than you think. And the surprising part? Most people over 60 are doing one simple thing every day that makes their legs even weaker without realizing it. Let's go straight into what that is and what you can do this week to fix it. The hidden cause: muscle loss you don't see. The real hidden cause is sarcopenia, age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, especially in the legs. It doesn't show up overnight, it creeps in slowly. Standing up from a chair feels harder. You need the handrail on stairs. A short walk leaves your legs feeling heavy. What drives sarcopenia for most people isn't just old age. It's a combination of too much sitting, very little real leg work, not enough protein to rebuild muscle, often low vitamin D, which weakens muscle function. So the hidden cause isn't just the number of candles on your cake, it's what your legs are being asked to do and what you're feeding them. Now let's talk about how to fix it fast in 3 direct steps. Step 1. Break the sitting weakness loop. The fastest way to send a get stronger signal to your legs is to stop letting them be idle all day. You don't need a gym, you do need to interrupt long sitting stretches. Core move number 1 is simple. Chair stand-ups, the main fix. Sit on a firm chair, feet flat, knees about hip width, scoot to the front edge, cross your arms over your chest if you can, or lightly touch the chair. Lean slightly forward and stand up. Sit back down slowly under control. Start with 5 to 8 repetitions once or twice per day. Why this works? It targets your thigh muscles and glutes, the main drivers for standing, walking, and stairs. It trains the exact motion you use in the bathroom, car, couch, and bed. If 5 to 8 is too hard, do 3, rest, then 3 more. If it's too easy, do 10. Add 2 quick supplements. Heel raises at the counter. Stand at your kitchen counter, hold lightly, lift your heels so you're on your toes, then lower slowly. Do 10 to 15 reps. This wakes up your calves and ankle stability, key for not stumbling. Kitchen marches. Still holding the counter, march in place. Lift each knee as high as is comfortable. Do 30 to 60 seconds. That's it for step 1, a few minutes total per day. The goal isn't to work out, it's to stop sending your body the message that your legs are retired. Once you start using your legs like this, step 2 is what actually lets them rebuild. Step 2. Fix the hidden starvation of your leg muscles. You can't fix weak legs if your muscles are underfed. Most older adults eat less protein than their muscles need, especially at breakfast and lunch. Typical pattern: breakfast, coffee, maybe toast or a biscuit; lunch, soup, small sandwich, crackers; dinner, small portion of meat or whatever is served. That's often not enough protein to maintain muscle, let alone rebuild it. After 60, your body becomes less efficient at using protein, so you actually need more per kilogram of body weight, not less. Many guidelines for older adults suggest around 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of day, adjusted for kidney and health status. Practical examples: if you weigh 70 kilograms, around 154 pounds, that's about 70 to 84 grams of protein per day. Spread it across meals instead of one big dinner. Easy ways to increase protein without overcomplicating things: breakfast, 2 eggs, or Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese with fruit. Lunch, tuna or chicken salad, beans or lentil soup, cottage cheese or leftover meat or fish. Dinner, salmon, chicken, turkey, lean beef, or lentils or beans with rice or whole grains. The key is this: when you start doing chair stand-ups and marches, try to make sure each day includes at least one decent protein meal afterward. Movement breaks down muscle just enough to trigger repair. Protein provides the raw material for that repair. Without protein, your body hears, "We used the legs," but doesn't get the supplies to rebuild them. You feel tired, but not stronger. Step 3 explains why even doing steps 1 and 2 sometimes still isn't enough. Step 3. Check the hidden switch, vitamin D. Vitamin D is treated as a bone vitamin, but it's also critical for muscle function and strength. Research in older adults shows that low vitamin D is linked to lower leg strength, slower walking speed, and higher risk of falls and sarcopenia. Why so many seniors are low? Less time outdoors, skin makes less vitamin D with age, diets low in fatty fish and fortified foods. That means you could be doing the leg exercises, eating more protein, and still not seeing the full benefit because your vitamin D is too low for your muscles to function optimally. Fixing this is straightforward. Ask your doctor for a vitamin D blood test, 25-OH vitamin D. If it's low, they can recommend the correct supplement dose and form for you. Add vitamin D-rich foods when possible: salmon, sardines, mackerel, fortified milk or plant milks, egg yolks. Think of it like this. Step 1, exercises, equals signal to your legs. Step 2, protein, equals building material. Step 3, vitamin D on, making sure the system is actually switched on. All three together address the hidden cause quickly and directly. How fast can you expect change? Everyone is different, but research and real-world experience suggest that when older adults do simple leg strengthening several days per week, eat adequate protein daily, and correct low vitamin D if present, they often notice improvements in about 4 to 8 weeks. Standing up feels easier, walking pace improves slightly, stairs feel more manageable, they feel more stable on their feet. Not dramatic transformation, but clear, measurable progress. Safety and medical check-in. Before you start, talk with your doctor, especially if you have heart disease, severe arthritis, balance issues, kidney problems, and multiple medications. Ask if these leg exercises are safe for you and whether you should start with physical therapy. Ask about checking vitamin D and discussing your protein intake.